Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Aspiring actors, if you want to give 2 or 3 mantras which you must follow as a source of
Yeah,
discipline, which is a
yeah,
must in order to become an actor. देखो अलग अलग destiny plays a part. A lot of things
yeah,
come
yeah.
into play. And 3 mantras which aspiring actors must follow to survive in an industry like Bombay. What would those 3 mantras be for you?
See, I'll be really honest. I feel dedication is number one because
Yeah,
see, we all know that luck plays an important part. There are like
absolutely.
40, 50 shows on television, or maybe 100 of films or series,
Yeah,
and not every series is a hit or people notice it also. So, dedication, give yourself some time, struggle.
yeah,
I'm not saying that struggle, give yourself time. And if you can do it, it's very, मतलब होता ना कि need to work on yourself. ठीक है यार, people
yeah,
say कि मतलब होता ना कि gymming is not important. Yeah, gymming is not important, but you have to be fit. Or
yeah.
मतलब होता ना, what kind of actor you want to get into. And
Exactly.
plus, yeah, and second thing is like, be nice to everyone because see our industry or any industry you have to make your mark, you have to make people remember you, and people would cast
Absolutely.
you if they think that you got an attitude problem or something like that.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Yeah, yeah. And third is like be easy on yourself. ठीक है मतलब होता ना, failures are part of our industry and any
Yeah,
industry. So with
yeah.
each failure you'll grow more and you'll learn more. So
Correct.
just follow these things and you'll grow. Yeah,
Yeah. I think it's really I mean sweet coming from you, and I'm pretty sure the aspiring actors will take note of that. And I think the point where you mentioned that it's important to be nice to everyone. I think that's really important because the moment you let things get into your head, ना कि मैं
yeah,
ये बन गया हूँ मैं वो बन गया हूँ, I think that is the start of one's downfall, right?
yeah. So matlab, they're like misconceptions about actors also because I
Yeah,
normally there are a lot of people who message me on Instagram or maybe Facebook that you don't talk or you don't talk to us. I do. Okay, but some people, some fans feel that there's like mostly actors have attitude problem. It's not that.
yeah.
Okay,
Totally
sometimes
agree.
it's very difficult to interact with all the fans, and once you message one, okay, you say maybe thank you or something like that, and then
Yeah,
they post it online, and then the other fan they usually curse us also. Okay, मतलब होता ना, you have attitude problem and something like that. So I believe we are also humans, and uh, yes, definitely we should interact. मतलब I'm guilty on that because I know that I don't interact much. I'll try to interact more with fans. But yeah,
yeah,
मतलब होता ना, we are as an actor also we are humans, and we do our level best because normally when we
yeah.
work also our shift is like more than 15 or 16 hours. So after that,
Absolutely.
the मतलब होता ना, right now
Need
I'm
some time to success.
yeah. So it's very difficult to balance your family life, your
Yeah,
professional life, and interacting, which I am also learning. मतलब होता
yeah.
ना धीरे धीरे करके, yeah.
Yeah. Entire tenure of your work journey in Bombay as an actor, and I won't say just Bombay, I've obviously your entire tenure as an actor. And I'm
Yeah,
talking about not just TV or movies, I'm talking about theater as well. What
yeah.
is that moment in your entire acting career or your entire professional journey when you felt you need to perhaps be like someone else. Like for example, you are an actor, but then you see someone else's work, and then you are like suddenly so inspired. Yeah, maybe I want to be like that person. You want to imbibe the qualities of the. So in your entire career, has there any moment been like that where you wanted to be like somebody else?
Yeah, somewhere like I down the line, I feel that when I see
Yeah,
any medium like maybe theater or maybe a play or whatever, I really want to get into writing because sometimes now as an actor, yeah, but an actor can only perform if the writing is good. So
absolutely.
yeah. So because you have done theater, right? So
Yeah,
writing sometimes, see, I agree. We do television, and sometimes the writing in television now, even we don't understand while performing. So what do we expect our audience to understand? To be really
yeah,
honest.
correct.
So so rather than I look for the characters which are well written. Okay,
Yeah,
so when I choose any character. whatever
So you're
I've
talking
done.
about the character sketch and the backstory of the character, right?
Yeah. So in that way, if matlab, like Amir Khan, okay,
Ji.
I really follow and love his work because the kind of work he does is really
Yeah.
inspiring. Yeah, the
Yes.
characters are well written. See, right now in television, we don't have that opportunity of writing our own characters. Okay,
Absolutely.
so
Because there's a certain
uh,
kind of content that has been working in the Indian market, so अब उसको
yeah,
बदलना नहीं चाहते. Experimenting can sometimes be
yeah,
deadly. Right? Don't really want
yeah,
that.
experimenting plus the time issues are also there. So
Yeah.
lot of things. But whenever I see a well-written character, I would love
Yeah.
to play that character. Yeah,
So I think it's
and
really
then
good. So,
yeah.
हाँ बताइए.
नहीं मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ कि there are a lot of actors who actually follow that. मतलब होता है ना, आमिर खान is one good example of a actor
Yeah.
following good, well-written characters. Yeah.
Yeah. And that's very difficult, I think. But over the last few years, आप बोलो तो be it Indian entertainment scenario में, I would say, but I won't talk much about TV to be very honest, but OTT and movies. I think the kind of movies and the kind of stuff that has been coming on OTT. I mean, we have actually kind of been realizing the true potential of our writers, because पहले से ज्यादा अभी काफी ज्यादा उनको viewer feedback मिल रहा है. Probably
Yeah.
they were not. So their craft
Yeah.
is also coming out. You see some stuff on content on OTT right now, and you're blown away. यार ऐसा भी निकल
Mm.
सकता है क्या हमारे इंडिया में? So you
Definitely,
get
yeah.
that watch something.
Yeah, of course. Whenever I watch anything on OTT platform,
Yeah,
there are a lot of shows, and I really
yeah,
feel that why can't we, मतलब होता है ना कि even our television, uh,
correct.
they have to upgrade themselves
Yeah, yeah,
to the changing situation now. मतलब होता है ना, it's
yeah,
high time. Yeah,
yeah. But it's really sweet, and most importantly, it's very honest coming from your end, because it's not
yeah,
easy. A lot of people shy away from actually admitting that.